I've never seen nobody with natural hair use no daily shampoo. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Angel Zane, not Zane, Angel Zane, and I'm back here today with another video, and it's actually a natural hair video. I'm going to be showing y'all how I use this Head and Shoulders aloe vera daily shampoo. So if you have not watched my other videos, then you wouldn't know this, but for those that have been keeping up, I have been struggling with the dry scalp, dandruff, itchiness, and when I say dandruff, I mean like almost penny-sized flakes, and then my scalp gets really red and irritated. So I actually talked to a pediatric doctor, and he recommended that I get this shampoo and that I wash my hair every day. Well, do it look like I can wash my hair every day? So what I actually did was I tried washing my hair for 7 days using this shampoo. I did not wash my hair every day for 7 days because I work and I thought I was gonna be able to do it, but it was just honestly too much. But what I did do is I washed it for like 3 days straight, and then like for the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th day I kind of like washed it every other day. And since then I can say my scalp has gotten so much better. Okay, so the only thing about this shampoo is it's a daily shampoo, and it is very clarifying. And you know, like clarifying shampoo, it seems like it strips product from your hair. And so what I would do was I would put my Aussie Miracle Moist on my ends while I'm in the shower. I'm gonna insert some clips or whatever so y'all can see, and then I would just focus the shampoo just on my scalp. And then I had a shower brush, but in these clips I didn't use the shower brush, but a shower brush is a really good investment. So I would focus this strictly on my scalp and rub it really good and try to get it all up. And it was pretty, my hair is still moisturized, so it did not strip my hair as bad as I thought it would. And another thing is, like I said, I wasn't just washing all the rest of my hair. So also, not only have I been using this, I have also been using this tea tree oil. My light is very bright. But I've been using this tea tree oil. It is not strictly tea tree oil. It also has other oils in it. The tea tree oil that was strictly just tea tree oil, it said do not use directly on skin. It was an essential oil, so I got that instead. I did find that in Walmart, and I also got this out of Walmart, which I probably didn't have to get such a huge one. Okay, so this shampoo does lather really well, and it does smell good. Like, I thought it was gonna stink because for some reason once upon a time when I tried Head and Shoulders, or maybe it was that sulfur shampoo, I don't know, I swear it was this, it did not smell good. Like, it smelled like medicine. But this one, I'm not sure if it's the aloe vera in it. I'm sorry, I keep saying aloe vera. It's almond oil. I'm not sure if it's the almond oil that's in it, but it is great. Like, it smells really good. They have one that has coconut oil in it, and they must have one that have aloe vera because I keep on saying that this is aloe vera, but this is almond oil. So this is what I've been using. I would definitely recommend this for anyone that has dry, itchy scalp. Will you be able to wash your hair daily? I have no clue. That's up to you. I would say start off washing it at least 3 days in a row. Just give your scalp that good clean and that good feel, like, because this shampoo feels really good. It kind of tingles a little bit along with the tea tree oil. The tea tree oil tingles too, but it feels really good. It feels really clean. And like, I was scared to try this is because, you know, in this whole new 21st natural hair century, we strictly try to use things that are for natural hair. I mean, that's just what we do. So we stick to our Shea Moisture and Aunt Jackie's and all that good old stuff. So I was like, I've never seen nobody with natural hair use no daily shampoo first. If your scalp is not taken care of, then you will suffer from breakage and shedding and just all sorts of things that's going to help your hair not grow. So your scalp is a main part of your hair growth. Like, that's where it stimulates from. So you want to make sure that your scalp is taken care of. Also, even if you don't wash your hair every day, make sure you're using the right kind of oil on your scalp. And if you're going to be using heavy oils on your scalp, then it is good to wash your hair at least once a week, because that oil buildup is not good. So those are just some tips, you know. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, or if you have anything else that you'd like for me to try, just let me know. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for more videos. If you want to see me try anything else, not even just a different shampoo, if you want to see me I don't know, try any natural hair products, just let me know what you want to see.